Good morning, students of class 12th. Welcome to your online classes of ASL. Today, for class 6th, we will be doing under listening activity unit number 6 full of beans. Now, listening. Listen to a talk by Dr. Pradhan on how to keep fit. As you listen to the talk, tick the correct option, read the question before you listen. Now, I will be reading the talk for you. The talk by Dr. Pradhan. You have to listen to that talk very carefully. Then, after that, take the correct option in the MCQs. Now, the talk begins by Dr. Pradhan. Good morning. I am glad to see so many of you interested in health and fitness. I had to say it is very important to keep fit throughout your life. Maintaining a good level of fitness helps you feel healthy and energetic. How do you know how fit you are? Think about these questions. Can you walk up a flight of stairs without getting breathless? Are you able to ride a bicycle for 15 minutes without feeling tired? Can you play for 2 hours and do your homework without feeling exhausted? If not, you need to improve your fitness. So, what can you do to be fit? For a start, you should eat healthy diet. Eat a variety of food. It helps your body get all the nutrition it requires. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and drink milk every day. You can also drink fruit juices once in a while, but avoid drinks like sodas. That means you should be avoiding drinks like sodas. Next, you should get some form of exercise every day. It makes you more alert and energetic and more attentive in class too. You don't have to go to the gym for exercise. Play a sport that you enjoy. Play tennis, football, cricket, or any other game you like. But play something. Also, think of other small actions you can do regularly to keep yourself fit, like walking to nearby place instead of using vehicle or climbing the stairs instead of using the lift. Finally, limit your screen time, watching televisions or DVDs, playing games on the computer and the phone. Try to limit all of that to about 2 hours per day. Too much screen time is not good for your eyes or for your health. If you are able to follow these simple steps, not just once, but every day, you will be fit and healthy for life. So go back home and begin your fitness programs today. Okay. Now get it right in the B part of the question. Listen to these sentences and complete them. Underline the part that you think is stressed in these words. First sentence: parking on the pavement is illegal. Second sentence: I dislike rough sports. Third sentence: the stadium looks colorful. Fourth sentence: the new gymnasium is doing good business. Fifth sentence: being active gives us happiness. Now, see, you have already listened to a talk. Now, see, some MCQ questions are given below. You have to solve that. Listening: A. Listen to a talk by Dr. Pradhan on how to keep fit, which you have already listened. Read the question below before you listen. As you listen to the talk, tick the correct option. Once you are done, listen to Dr. Pradhan's talk again and check your answers. First question of the MCQs. First one: staying fit helps you feel. Option number A, tired. Option number B, energetic. Question number 2 of MCQ: measure your fitness by. Option number A, riding a bicycle. Option number B, watching television. Third question of MCQ: your body can get complete nutrition when you eat. Option number A, a variety of food. Option number B, your favorite dishes. Fourth MCQ: you should not drink dash fill in the blanks every day. Option number A, sodas. Option number B, milk. Fifth MCQ question: exercise makes you. Option number A, alert. Option number B, lazy. Sixth MCQ question: to keep fit, it helps if you. Option number A, take a lot of exercise once a year. B, walk to school every day. Seventh, playing video games for many hours. Option number A, can be good for health. Option number B, can be bad for health. Now, see, in the B part, get it right. Okay? Listen to these words and repeat them. First word, alert. second word attentive, third word breathless. Now listen to these words and repeat them. Alertness, attentiveness, and breathlessness. Note that even after adding the suffix means the word which is added after the word. For example, NESS to the word, the stress does not shift to other parts. Now, in the B part, listen to these words and mark the stress in the second word in each word pair. Happy dash happiness. Clever dash cleverness. Grateful dash gratefulness. Nervous dash nervousness. Dizzy dash dizziness. Now, in the C part, read the words aloud with the stress on the correct parts. Colorful, first word. Second word, happiness. Third word, dislike. Fourth word, business. Fifth word, illegal. Now, in the D part, listen to these sentences and complete them. Underline the part that you think is stressed in these words. First one, parking on the pavement is dash. Second one, I dash rough sports. Third one, the stadium books dash. The stadium looks dash. This is the third one. Fourth one, the new gymnasium is doing good dash. Fifth one, being active gives us dash. That means what you have to do in these, listen to these sentences and complete them. Underline the part that you think is stressed in these words. So these activity you will be doing in your copy. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.